Welcome to the M Interior Design YouTube channel, where the line between reality and imagination disappears. In this video, we're exploring the design and architecture of a dreamy villa in Brazil and admiring the beauty of its architecture, so stay with us. The living room of this villa is located on the second floor, designed with natural elements like wood and stone. On the first floor, you'll find a kitchen and a modern dining area with natural accents, a blend of nature and modernity in perfect harmony. There's also a unique and dreamy living space with a high ceiling, and on the other side, an indoor pool that brings you even closer to nature. On the third floor are the villa's bedrooms, covered in natural wood and offering a stunning view of the river and forest. The villa's dreamy bathroom captivates every viewer. And on the rooftop, there's a beautiful pool with a breathtaking view. All of these visuals are part of an architect's design for a cliffside villa. Be sure to share your thoughts about this design with us. To see more dreamy homes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like our videos. See you very soon in the next one.